Air York is just like the street ball team, the dunk team. We just go around, we do dunk shows, try to get into the basketball tournaments across GTA, try to win every dunk off we go in. Team is like the other side of us. We have the extra element of schools, discussing the importance of athletics, of post-secondary education, why it's important to keep focused even and do stuff in the community. So pretty much
team love the kids.
Team love the kids, yeah, that's what.
Y'all stupid dumb big, my room's got rooms. Why y'all trip? I'm just fine. 12:45, about that time. Been dead it all week, time to unwind. Train like a tank, lose my mind. This shit crazy, way too bad. Rose, baby, waist too stacked. Hardest thing in the lot, that damn mind. Can't spell so, lost my mind.
Do I love these hoes? Kinda sorta. I got them drinking sangria like it's fucking water. Some Miami women, tan lines showing, and they really about whatever shit is mind blowing. Fuck what they talk, do what I say. Bust it open, girl, and send it my way. You see me looking like that, I think I like it too.
I was like